Both the NPV and IRR function calculate the net present value and internal rate of return by assuming cash flows occur at evenly spaced intervals, such as annual payments are returned from an investment at the end of each year. If cash flow appears at unevenly spaced intervals, XNPV and XIRR function is used. This range shows that the initial investment $300,000 on February 10, 2018 returns 15 payments occur at irregular intervals over the next 2 years for a total of $593,000. After investing the $300,000, I receive first payment from to the company $30,000 at the date of 8 May 2018. I receive second payment from to the company at the date of 20 June 2018. I receive third payment $30,000 from to the company at the date of 15 August 2018. These dates are called transaction dates. These dates based on irregular intervals. That is the reason I am using XNPV function to calculate net present value of an investment. In a rate box, select cell reference I10, press tab key. In a values box, select this cell references range, press tab key. In a dates box, select this cell references range, click OK. Based on this rate of return, XNPV function returns the net present value of this investment $251,961. Now I calculate internal rate of return. First, active this cell, click financial arrow button, scroll down, click XIRR function. This function returns the internal rate of return for a schedule of cash flows. In a values box, select this cell references range, press tab key. In a dates box, select this cell references range, click OK. Internal rate of return from the investment is 99%.